WKCTC, I'm RaeLynn Felker, and here's what's happening on campus because March has officially decided we do not need free time. First up, if you're planning to walk at commencement, you must fill out an intent to graduate form. These are available from March 2nd through March 27th. The important part, turn it in. Future you in a cap and gown holding that diploma and posing for 47 family photos will be very appreciative. Tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the WKCTC Student Center is Let's Talk About Mental Health. Come connect with community mental health partners, enjoy free walking tacos, and pick up a free self-care kit. No RSVP needed. Just stop by while supplies last. Mental health is so important for student success and well-being, so take care of your mind and grab a taco while you're at it. That's what we call emotional support with toppings. And speaking of tasty treats, here's Chef Jessie Fletcher with this week's specials.
Let's talk lunch. This week at Center Cafe, it's baked sausage rosé pasta and Thomas's chili. Warm, filling, and perfect for powering through midterms. Coming up next week, don't miss 6-cheese chicken Alfredo pizza and grilled cheeses with Kitchen's Cafe's tomato soup. Yes, 6 cheeses. Meanwhile, at Kitchen's Cafe, we've got melanzana alla parmigiana, plus garlic roasted potatoes and sauteed green beans. And next week, one of the most popular specials of the year makes its return. Corned beef, boiled cabbage and bacon, and cold cannon. If you know, you know.
Students are invited to share their wisdom and insight by entering the annual One Book Read essay contest. Inspired by this year's selection, In the Wildlight by Jeff Zentner, this is your opportunity to engage with the campus-wide reading initiative and showcase your talents and possibly prove that your discussion board posts were just your rough drafts. There are prizes involved, yes, actual money. First place in each category wins $100 and honorable mentions receive $50, with 2 honorable mentions per category. On Tuesday, March 10th, join us for the free poetry workshop, Ask Me Where I'm From, led by WKCTC Dean of Arts and Sciences and Creative Writing Instructor, Britton Shirley. The event will be held at Dry Ground Brewing Company from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., and free snacks will be provided. Poetry and snacks, that's culture and carbs in one evening. No writing experience is required. Students, faculty, staff, and community members are welcome. If you've ever dramatically journaled at 1 a.m. and thought, this is deep, now's your time. The Spring 2026 Transfer Fair happens Tuesday, March 12th from 10 to 2 in the Student Center. Talk to reps from multiple colleges and universities at one event. If you're thinking about transferring, this is your chance to ask all the big questions like majors, scholarships, campus life, and also grab enough brochures to build a small coffee table. So many brochures. Also on March 12th at 2 p.m. in the Matheson Library, the big day finally arrives. It's the 3rd annual Pie Day Pie Eating Contest. Participants will compete for bragging rights, a trophy, and a chance to win a gift card. You'll get to see your fellow students and your teachers battle it out for the glory that is Pie Day. And this event is so much more than just pie eating and whipped cream everywhere, although there will absolutely be whipped cream everywhere. Want to see Professor Janie Wells do her best Joan Jett? Curious about Mindy Bell's compelling Pie Day conspiracy theory? There are layers to this event, just like a pie, but you'll have to attend to understand. And if March 12th still hasn't given you enough to do, that evening from 4 to 9 p.m. is WKCTC Spa Night. Treat yourself with affordable spa services provided by West Kentucky Community and Technical College salon students. From manicures and pedicures to facials and hair services, there's something for everyone. Appointments are required, so call 270-534-3410 to schedule. Because after tacos, poetry, transfer plans, and competitive pie consumption, you deserve to relax. That's your campus rundown for this week, WKCTC. I'm RaeLynn Felker, and I'll see you next time.